Hello, Year 2, parents, carers, everybody. Mr. Huxley here. I'm wearing different clothes. I know usually in my videos I'm wearing the same clothes. And you might have noticed that there is no light coming from outside because it's night. And that's how these things work. Light does not come from darkness. It's a bit deep, isn't it? A bit deep for a homework video. I've got Mr. Paul here. Do you want to say hello, Mr. Paul?
Hello, Mr. Paul.
Mr. Paul is far away. That's why he looks small. He's not standing next to me. He's not actually, his head is actually bigger than that. Watch when he comes closer. That's amazing, isn't it? Wonders of technology. Did you want to say anything to the Year 2 people?
No, just keep up the great work in Year 2.
See,
Fabulous.
See, we're famous. We're famous in Year 2 because you guys have been doing so well. In maths, you have been multiplying, dividing, doing that sort of thing, doing it brilliantly, all good. We have been reading Ada Twist Scientist. Mr. Paul, have you ever read Ada Twist Scientist?
No, not
It's a wonderful book. You should get it for your daughter. It's very good. It's very good. And the children have been doing some amazing writing. Amazing writing about it all. Do you know what? There's no messages from me apart from how brilliantly everyone's been doing. We've got the show coming up, so keep singing. Anyway, I'm going to hand over to Mr. Huxley, who's going to go through this week's fabulous homework. Say bye, Mr. Paul.
Bye, Mr. Paul.
Bye, Mr. Paul. And that's why you should never take a dog on a yacht. Anyway, let's go through this week's homework with me, Mr. Huxley. So, we've got a bit of maths to do, as usual, and then some words and some handwriting and spelling and that sort of thing. Now, we've been looking at odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers. Now, the good thing about odd and even numbers is once you know how to work out if a number's odd or even, you can do it forever. So what I'd like you to do, for the first thing, is to list all the odd numbers, between 12 to 40. All those odd numbers, brilliant. And then list all the even numbers between 36 and 63. Great. When you've done that, I want you to look at these digits. 5, 7 and 2. 3 of the best digits around. I'm not saying the 3 best, but 3 of the best. And what I'd like you to do is to form the greatest two-digit odd number, then the greatest two-digit even number, then form the smallest two-digit odd number, and then form the smallest two-digit even number. Yes, very good, very good. And when you've done that, we are looking at this week's sound, which is ow. Ow. So we've got cow, I've got itchy nose. Cow, brown, own, oh yeah, oh, snow, out, oh or ow. Mouth, scout, about, would, could. And you guys know what to do with these. You're practicing your beautiful handwriting. Beautiful handwriting. Let's go through some of these answers. I'm not going to go through all of these, but just a reminder that odd numbers end in a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or a 9. All odd numbers end in those. Every single one ever created, ever invented. It's all good. It's all good. And then list all the even numbers between 36 and 63. Now, even numbers, they end in 0, and in 2, and in 4, and in 6, and in 8. And that's it. That's it. If it ends in those numbers, you are sorted. So, super well done. Great reminder. Excellent, excellent. Now, we're looking at these digits, 5, 7, and 2. We're forming the greatest two-digit odd number. The greatest two-digit odd number there is, that's right, it's 75. Well done, well done. The greatest two-digit even number is, yes, it's 72. 72. Form the smallest two-digit odd number. Smallest two-digit odd number, that would be 25. To really think about that. And the smallest two-digit even number is, it's actually 52. 52. Well done, kings and queens of maths. Excellent mathsness, wonderful spelling. Bring in your homework, I'd love to see it. Anyway, it's getting noisy in the staff room now. That's what happens. Staff rooms are noisy places full of hard work and wonderful people. Like me, Mr. Huxley. Bye.
Yeah.